Hello everyone. If this Butane small stove, if it's you're trying to light it up, but it does not, as you see, no spark, this is very simple solution. So let's remove this, and you can follow the cable, the spark cable here, and you can see it is disconnected from here. So simply you can just attach it like that. Okay, and now give a try. That's it. So very easy fix. One small tip, sometimes, just to make sure to put it on the right first release. So always when you put this can, you need to first lock it. See, it has a lock-up mechanism here. This is so you follow the tip here, okay, and then you see this it has a spring here, and it has the back metal piece here to push this can in. See, so this one has to sit in just in the right place, otherwise if it leaks, if you hear leaking or you smell the butane or the propane, not to try, stop, do not operate it until you solve this problem. So here is you can see, first you need to put this in the center like that. See, make sure this one sits nice and easy, then hold it from here, then you pull. So if you smell something, do not operate, otherwise it can cause fire. If you hear leakage, also do not start it until you diagnose and see what is caused the leakage or the. But yeah, now this is ready, and good. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.